Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can install and set up Django in Windows 11, and we will also create our first Django project. First of all, there are two ways you can do this. First is you can install Django system-wide on your computer. That means all the Django projects will use the same Django version, but a better version is to create virtual environment. So what is a virtual environment? Let me just show it to you. First, let's create a new project, and I'll call it my Django project. And inside this, what we'll do is we'll create a virtual environment. Now, a virtual environment is like an isolated place where all your Python dependencies are installed for this specific project or for any other project that you want. Now, why is that important? Because in some cases, you might be using an older version of a package. In some projects, you might be using a newer version of a package. So in a virtual environment, you have your project-specific dependency version. So we will install a specific version of Django in this virtual environment. So how can you create this? Open your terminal. In Windows 11, you can just click here and type cmd and hit enter, and your command prompt will open. If you are on Mac or Linux, open your terminal and come to this directory or wherever you have created your project. Once you're inside the project, let's create a virtual environment. So the command is python -m venv, and then give any name to your environment. I'll call it my_venv and hit enter. So now if you have an issue, that means that Python might not be installed. So if you're getting Python not found or something like that, check the link in the description. It will show you how you can set up Python. So now here, as you can see, the folder is already created, but it is still processing. And let's wait till this is complete. Now, as you can see, we are here in the next line. So this means that this environment has been created. Now, to install Django and all the other dependencies in this virtual environment, what you can do is first you need to activate this. So the command is just my_venv and then slash and then scripts. Now you can just type scr and then hit tab. It's not complete. Okay, let's do // here first, and then my_venv and then scripts. Let's go inside this. My_venv slash, it's / in Windows, not // then scripts, then activate. Now once you see your virtual environment name here in front of your directory here, it means that this environment has been activated. Now we will install Django in this environment. So the command is again python -m pip install Django. Hit enter and Django will start installing. If you're getting an error that says pip is not found or something, that means that pip is not installed. And again, if you have that error, check the link in the description below. It will show you how you can install pip. So now let's wait till Django installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, now you can create a Django project. So to create a Django project, the command is django-admin start project, and then your project name. I'll just call it again my Django project. And then where do you want to set up files for this project? So we want this inside the current directory itself. So what we'll do is we'll just enter a period or a dot or a full stop here, and the project files will be created inside this directory. Now hit enter. Okay, now it has been complete. So if I minimize this, as you can see, manage.py, my Django project, these files have been created. Now you can add code here and do whatever you want. And to run this, what you can do is just to python manage.py and then run server. Hit enter, and now Django server will start, and we will see whatever project we have here in this link. Now you can press Ctrl and click on this, and as you can see, the default Django page opens. Now you can write some code, create some apps, and make changes accordingly, and that will be visible here after you have done this run server command. Where is it? Okay, so whatever changes you do, after that again you do this python -py run server command, and you'll be able to see those changes in this URL. So this is how you can install Django on Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.